Flexibility measures your range of motion around a joint or a set of joints. It is an essential component of fitness, as it allows you to do physical activity correctly, it relates to good posture, and also it reduces risk of injury. There are two types of flexibility, active and passive. Active flexibility means the range of motion a joint can move into without external force using the muscles acting upon it. Passive flexibility, on the other hand, refers to the range of motion a joint can move into by using external force, like for example, you pushing a limb into a position using your hand. You can measure the flexibility of your joints using a device called a goniometer. If this is out of reach for you, there are several tests available, like the sit and reach test, hip flexor extension test, aka the Thomas test, shoulder flexibility test, and trunk extension test. If you want to perform this test yourself, check the links in the description of this video. Alternatively, you can use an app like GoWOD, no affiliation here by the way, I'm just a big fan, which has a free flexibility test built in. Warming up before your workouts and performing static stretching at the end while muscles are still warm will keep your flexibility in check. Training in all three planes of motion is helpful for good flexibility. And also yoga training provides excellent flexibility while also improving balance, which is an important component of fitness as well. When things get painful due to inflammations, muscle contractions, or other similar issues, a bit of mobility work is required. Techniques like proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, or PNF for short, contract relax method, foam rolling, and using a lacrosse ball for self-massage are all good techniques to decrease tension, reduce inflammation, and increase flexibility. Some mobility advocates like Dr. Kelly Starrett recommend that daily mobility work to keep your flexibility on point. You can build your own mobility workouts or use an app. GoWOD, the one I mentioned before, has this as a paid feature. Too much flexibility is actually a thing, especially if you are lifting weights. More flexibility than needed can lead to unstable joints, which will make weightlifting problematic and injury prone. So don't go overboard with it. You should aim for daily work to maintain flexibility on point, and this will allow you to perform better in your physical endeavors and will contribute to better overall fitness. This is even more important with age, as lack of flexibility is a common theme among the elderly, leading to all kinds of accidents and injuries that could have been prevented otherwise. Let me know what flexibility routine you are using in the comments section below, and until next time, stay fit!